SUI could see a 2.1% retracement tomorrow, based on digital coin price. Before we begin, let's take a moment to look at the chart. According to the current data, SUI has moved up 0.5% today and sits around $1.0355. Time to see what experts are expecting. Coin price forecast estimate for March 19 is $1.04, which means a price gain of around 0.5%. CoinLore believes SUI could move downward toward $1.03, a potential drop near 0.5%. CoinCodex notes it might drift lower toward $1.0273, a projected decrease close to 0.8%. Another forecast from Digital Coin Price suggests SUI could drop to $1.0137, an estimated decrease of about 2.1%. Finally, Gulf Capital Collector sees $0.974 by tomorrow, 5.9% down. This is the most profitable forecast among all those reviewed. That covers 5 expert predictions for tomorrow. Now let's move on. All 5 predictions are in. Here's what they collectively suggest. Based on the combined forecasts from all analysts, the price could range between a decline of 5.9% and a rise of 0.5%, depending on the analyst. After comparing all 5, Gulf Capital Collector leads with 5.9% gain in value by tomorrow. So it turns out you could make between $5 and $59 for every $1,000 you invest. When factoring in volatility, Coin Price Forecast's forecast indicates the most likely price change with a 97% probability. Looking at the full set of forecasts, I've put together a consensus outlook. The consensus perspective places SUI at about $1.017. Here's a closer look at the numbers. Consensus evaluation shows a 1.8% move down. Put simply, your capital could climb by around 1.8% in line with that move. For a 1,000 example, the projection could indicate $18 in gain. In addition, the probability tied to this consensus forecast is around 94.3%. To move things along, let's check the 3-day outlook as expected by analysts. Coin price forecast signals no significant movement ahead. Similarly, CoinLore indicates sideways trading conditions. CoinCodex sees SUI on a downward slope. Meanwhile, Digital Coin Price expects losses to extend. Also, Gulf Capital Collector expects SUI to head lower. In summary, the consensus suggests SUI is on a path lower across the 3-day outlook. So, 80% of perspectives underline a bearish bias for SUI. 2 days back, 5 forecasts were published. Let's compare them with the actual numbers. In the end, the closing candle marked $1.0292. Because the price followed that path, all 5 analysts had it right. CoinDataFlow stood out with the sharpest prediction. Now let's set it in order. 3 forecasts stayed in yesterday's trading range. Regarding ROI, all results turned green and CoinCodex reached 3.6%. Here's a quick summary table, a clear snapshot of forecast performance. 30 rates had accuracy, 95.7% forecast probability, and 1.3% ROI. Take a closer look and see who seems to be performing best in this set. Now let's see how SUI's potential forecasted return compares with those of other assets. PEEP leads the outlook with 2,076.8% and SUI trails below. Here we're featuring only 5 cryptocurrencies, while the extended comparison of many crypto returns will also be added to the site and Telegram soon. And that's today's summary. Stay subscribed to see tomorrow's accuracy check. Catch you in the next forecast summary.